Hello, people of the world. Welcome to my channel. And today we're gonna be talking about how to make money in this crypto market when you have a small amount of cash. Yeah, this video goes out to my people who don't really have that much money, like your bare minimum cash that you have. As you can see, I've invested like $8 and yeah, $8 in bread and $8 in Zai games. I think it's called Zai games, Zai cards. I don't got them. Forgive me, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna show you the strategy I'm doing right now. It's pretty much I was buying at the lows, the low. This is the 1 day chart, and I'm using buy Bybit to trade my crypto, and we know we're going on a bull run, right? So I entered somewhere on the 4th. So yeah, on the 4th at the low, pretty much the low. I was like trying to time it the best of my capabilities, and I was timing the hours of day, not like the hours of day, but I saw like each and every time. I think it was around whatever 8, 16, at 16, around 16:15. There always seems to be some sort of low. Let's say 16 hours, 16 UTC at 4, there always seems to be a dip. Let me see, there was a dip today at the 16 hour. Let's say 4, whatever, 4 at 4 UTC time. You see here, UTC. And I always try to get the lowest point of it. Try and get the lowest point. But I think on this day for bread, I was kind of sleeping at that point in time. And I woke up just at the right moment in time. So you can see my entry sort of somewhere up here. So this was at 9 something. But I knew something was gonna go down. At that day, I had a gut feeling. I think I was watching it at around this 5-ish, 4-ish. But it went lower. So thank God I fell asleep. Because on that day it went lower. So I was just trying to catch the low to go high. And as you see, I didn't have much money. I put, like I said, for bread, I had only $8. I think I put in $5 and then increased the margin. That's something that we'll talk about later on in another video if y'all are interested. But I got in, and as you see, I got in here, and if, like you see, at this point in time, we up quite a large amount. Like I made my $5. Like you see how many percentage I made from 5 when I increased the margin. Now it's at 8 USDT, and I went all the way up. Sorry, I'm a bit tired. Stayed here. So yeah, so if like Brett is gonna do well in this bull run for sure. I know for sure. So let's move to the 1 day. So my target, if, as you can see where I'm at right now, so we're somewhere here, right? If we go higher from $5, we can make, if we go back to all-time high, make $300 if we go higher. Like let's say Brett goes to $1, so our $5 will turn into 2467 USDT. That's 30,000% gain, and this is completely possible with Brett. You can see, look at this. This is my stop loss right here. My stop loss was at 5. You see, it was almost half a percent of the money that I had. So barely nothing out of it. So yeah, if you want to know more, if you're interested on how to make money, like I said, this is the dips usually happens at this specific time. Try to get the dip, then you ride it up with a small amount of money, because now's the time to get in, because later on it's going to be harder for you to get the nice snipe